Is that a dinosaur or a snake? Oh, he's got big claws. I don't think it's a snake. You know, Jasmine really should come up here with me because it's just something new. If I was her, I'd probably get bored at the same place every day. Yeah, looks good. I know, Del. Dude, I had kind of like a bad hangover from Strong Zero a few days ago, man. So I'm switching it up. Whoa. Oh, this is like a wine bar. Everyone's drinking wine. Hello. How's it going? Yeah, hi Sinsa. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Secret alley unlocked. I don't know, Chicago. I don't do that stuff, man. Hi. It would take some work. You have to speak Japanese. How much can you rent a girlfriend for? I don't. It's like $60 in 30 minutes at that one cafe, actually. Hey, what is this? What is that? Oh, hi. That's cool. What is this? Get a hangover from wine too? Dude, something's wrong with Strong Zero though. It makes you crash. Maybe there's a lot of sugar in it. Or is it sugar free? It might be sugar free. I don't know. It has a really bad crash. It makes you tired. What flag is that? Conan rented a family. I saw a couple of those videos he made here. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, I still love Strong Zero, but it can't be your last drink, I guess. I didn't plan to have a whole lot because we just chilling on our date. You need like something else to fight off the crash from it. I guess let's try this way. I don't know, man. There's a girl behind us walking with a menu wrapped around her neck. A necklace. Oh, she's coming. Oh, rooftop place up there. Hi. She has the menu on her neck and a arm sleeve tattoo. Must be Yakuza. Don't ask her too many questions. Don't want to get involved. Interview her? Well, by the way, she's not moving her arms. I would say she's distressed about going to whatever bar she's working at right now. She's probably not very happy. Again, Yakuza. I don't need to get involved with that. Oh, what is this? What is that? Entire place is takoyaki? She stopped right there. Oh, that's the bar she's working at. Dark bar. 5th floor. Okay. Oh, that looks fancy. That's a Love Hotel. Looks expensive though. Here's a wiener dipping into syrup place. 90 yen for syrup? Oh, per stick. 90 yen per dip. Yeah, I like playing darts a lot too, man. I need a new darts partner out here. And a better place to go. I don't think round one is quite it. There's got to be some other places. At like any one of these smaller bars. You just never know until you go in, so. Hi, how's it going? Hi. Ayo. Ayo. Wow. Nice bowl. Oh. Yeah, 90 yen's pretty cheap. It's like those fish sticks in Korea we used to eat late at night. That's kind of what they were selling. Fish on a stick. About $1 a stick. I have not eaten here in months, sadly. That looks like a nicer one. No cover charge. Oh, that's a cool bar. Retro pub. Where's Cherry? She wanted retro. Here you go. Retro. Every drink's $5. Well, as long as you want whiskey. Seems good. This is 24 hour? Oh. 24 hours.